If you have just got your Regalia Gold credit card from HDFC Bank or you are planning to use it smarter in 2026, this quick guide will show you exactly how to maximize rewards, avoid fees, and get the most value from every swipe. Understand the basics. First, know what your card offers. The Regalia Gold is a premium rewards card designed for travel, shopping, and lifestyle benefits, and it is of credit type. Key features usually include reward points on every spend, bonus points on online and retail shopping, complimentary airport lounge access, and insurance and travel perks. Before using it, activate it through the bank app or customer care. Set your PIN and enable international usage if you plan to travel. How to earn maximum rewards. To get the best value, use it for high value purchases like flights, electronics, or hotel bookings. Pay for monthly bills such as internet, utilities, and subscriptions. Take advantage of accelerated reward categories if your card offers them. And the pro tip, avoid using it for categories that do not earn points, like wallet loads or certain government payments. Redeem points smartly. Not all redemptions are equal. The best value usually comes from flight and hotel bookings, travel vouchers, gift vouchers from partner brands. Avoid redeeming for cash or statement credit unless necessary, because those usually give lower value per point. Avoid interest and fees. This is where most people lose money. Follow these rules. Always pay the full bill, not the minimum due. Set auto pay to avoid late fees. Keep credit utilization below 30% of your limit to maintain a good credit score. And do not withdraw cash using your card. Cash advances have instant interest and fees. Use perks most people ignore. Many cardholders miss out on hidden benefits. Free lounge access, use it whenever you travel, dining discounts through partner restaurants, and complimentary insurance coverage for travel or purchases. Check the official benefits page once every few months because offers change frequently. Security and smart usage. Protect your card. Turn on transaction alerts. Lock the card instantly from the app if lost. Use contactless payments from small purchases. Never share your OTP or CVV with anyone. Used correctly, the Regalia Gold Card can save you money, earn rewards, and unlock premium perks. The key is simple: spend strategically, redeem wisely, and always pay on time. If you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribe. And tell me down below in the comments if you have used the Regalia card before or not. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.